Tonight, a Catawba County judge is keeping all of the 911 calls from last month's deadly mass shooting. It'll be under wraps.
Yeah, this is that shooting at that house party. It killed one person and it injured 11 others. Investigators say that this is a planned attack motivated by gang activity. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre was in court today and breaks down where things stand in this high-profile case.
That's right. Now, the hearing centered around the initial emergency calls made because of the noise complaint, but the judge siding with the prosecution, saying that releasing them would do more harm than good. The request to unseal some of the 911 recordings from last month's Catawba County mass shooting were denied.
The biggest thing the judge is looking at is whether or not there's probative value for the public to have it compared to prejudicial value against all of the defendants.
Deputies were first called to the Walnut Acres home because of a noise complaint. The Catawba County Sheriff's Office say deputies talked to the host and they turned the music down, so they left. But not long after, gunfire rang out and deputies got another wave of emergency calls, this time about the mass shooting. Prosecutors argued releasing any of the calls, even from earlier in the night, could jeopardize the case. Attorney Thomas Leitner, not involved with the case, says all of the calls are part of the same chain of events.
You can't look at them differently because they're all one and the same. It's a totality of the circumstances, and that evidence flows.
He adds the calls can influence how the rest of the case is perceived by the public. Court documents note releasing them could also expose the identities of victims and witnesses, some of whom are juveniles. So far, 7 people have been indicted in the case, and 2 others face aiding and abetting charges for allowing people under 21 to have access to alcohol at the party. Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.